That cough you keep ignoring? It could be your body's warning signal. A cough is a natural reflex that helps clear the throat and airways from irritants and germs. There are two main types of cough: dry cough and wet cough that produces mucus.
Common symptoms include sore throat, chest discomfort, fever, fatigue, and excess mucus.
A cough can be caused by colds, flu, allergies, smoking, pollution, or respiratory infections.
Medicines like dextromethorphan help control dry cough, ambroxol and guaifenesin loosen mucus, while terbutaline helps open the airways.
Always use cough medicines as prescribed, and consult a doctor if symptoms persist.